friends! How's everyone doing today? We're about to dive into the amazing world of our feathered friends, birds, and the sounds they make. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love birds. So let's not waste any time and jump right in. Macaw! Macaws have super strong beaks. They use their beaks to crack open hard nuts and seeds, and they can even use them to climb. Some macaws can also learn to mimic human speech. Seagull. Seagulls have incredible vision and excellent memory. Unlike most animals, they can drink both fresh water and salt water because they have special glands that filter out the salt. Flamingo. Flamingos are famous for their pink feathers, which come from the pigments in the food they eat, like shrimp and algae. They often stand on one leg to keep warm and conserve energy. Owl. Owls have special wing feathers that reduce noise, allowing them to fly silently and sneak up on their prey. The shape of an owl's face, called a facial disc, helps direct sound to their ears, making them exceptional at hearing. There are over 200 different species of owls. Budgies. Budgies are also known as parakeets and come in a variety of colors. They are very social and enjoy being in pairs or groups. Their diet mainly consists of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Peacock. Male peacocks are famous for their beautiful, colorful tail feathers that they spread out to show off and attract mates. These special feathers are called train feathers. The male is called a peacock, the female is called a peahen, and their babies are called peachicks. All together, they are known as peafowl. Crow. Crows are incredibly intelligent and can solve complex problems. They can even use tools, like sticks, to help them get food. Crows can mimic the sounds they hear, including human voices, other animals, and even mechanical noises. Crows have great memories and can remember faces. Pigeon. Pigeons have an amazing ability to find their way home from long distances, which is why they have been used as messenger birds for thousands of years. They are also highly adaptable and can live in diverse environments, from cities to rural areas. Both male and female pigeons take care of their young, feeding them a special pigeon milk produced in their throats. Swan. Swans are known for their graceful, long necks and beautiful white feathers. Some species, like the black swan, have dark feathers. They are among the largest flying birds and are excellent swimmers, gliding smoothly across the water. Their webbed feet help them paddle efficiently. White stork. White storks are migratory and travel long distances. They build big nests on tall places like rooftops, chimneys, and trees, and they keep adding to these nests every year. White storks like to eat insects, frogs, small animals, and fish. They find their food by walking through shallow water or searching in fields. Vulture. Vultures are very important birds and play a big role in ecosystems. They mainly eat dead animals, which helps clean up the environment and prevent the spread of disease. They have strong stomach acids to digest harmful bacteria and live on every continent except Antarctica and Australia. Toucan. Toucans are famous for their large, colorful beaks. Their beaks can be up to 1/3 of their body length. Toucans live in the rainforests of Central and South America, where they nest in tree holes. Toucans are not strong flyers. They prefer short flights from tree to tree rather than long distances. Wow, there are so many beautiful birds out there. Did you know that birds have light, hollow bones? These special bones help birds stay light and make it easier for them to fly. That's pretty amazing, don't you think? If you enjoy watching birds as much as I do, ask your mom or dad to help you make a bird feeder. You might be surprised by who comes to visit your garden. Thank you for watching.